Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's check out how to compare your financial progress year over year in Lendingclub. Tracking progress year over year is one of the most powerful ways to measure long-term financial growth. With Lendingclub's built-in reports and data tools, you can quickly compare your income, spendings, and savings across different years to see whether you're moving closer to your goals. Start by logging in and heading to the reporting or insights section of the Lendingclub dashboard, and then select the date range filter and choose full year periods, such as January through December of 1 year compared to the next. Lendingclub will display totals for income, expenses, savings, and debt payments, making it easier to identify improvements or setbacks. Look at changes in categories like discretionary spendings, recurring bills, and debt reduction. If your savings grew but your debt stayed the same, that might indicate progress in one area while another needs more attention. Reviewing these year-over-year comparisons also highlights seasonal patterns like higher expenses during summer or holiday months that you can, of course, plan for. By consistently reviewing your financial performance year over year, you're going to gain perspective on whether your habits are improving and, of course, make better decisions for the future. But that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.